What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It took about 2 years for this video to finally exist and become a thing because I'm finally done with my room and I'm so excited to share with you guys how I've sort of styled it and where I like to keep all my things. I'm also going to be showing you guys my makeup collection and how I organize all of that. If you've been waiting for this video and you're excited to finally watch it, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out. And if you're new here, then be sure to subscribe. I will also leave my Instagram and Twitter in the description box if you guys want to follow me on there. And without further ado, let's get into my room tour. If any of you guys are interested in seeing my full loft tour and what everything looks like downstairs, I'll have that linked in the description box as well as my closet tour. Walking up the stairs, this is my bedroom. I'll give you guys a little overview. Right to the left as you're walking up, I have this coat rack. This was from IKEA. It's just really simple and silver, and I've got purses, a leather jacket, and yeah, it's a nice little grab and go area. These two are from Society 6. We've got like two people kind of intermeshing faces, making out. I don't know how you want to perceive that. Little records on a girl's tits. Thank you, Becca, for giving that to me. And then this print from Fight Club is from the Melrose Trading Post, which is like a flea market out here. And I just realized it's upside down. It's taped, so that's just gonna be upside down forever. I guess I will then start here. This is sort of like my makeup vanity area where I keep all of my makeup that I use, as well as where I just get ready for the day. At the bottom right here, we've got this cute little basket. I think I got it from allmodern.com in like 3 different sizes. In here, I just have a bunch of different towels, face towels. I grab these towels for working out or if I'm cleaning off like my makeup brushes, stuff like that. This white lacquer desk is from CB2, I believe, and it just has 2 drawers. We'll go through them. And then this little office file cabinet is from allmodern.com, and it's so convenient. It's on wheels. So this is kind of like half a makeup collection, but this first drawer has a bunch of face products, not the ones that I use every day, which is in the desk. Bronzers, highlighters, blushes, face palettes, stuff like that. Back here, we have extra foundations that I either haven't used yet or backup shades. I'm always trying out obviously different products because of like PR packages and stuff. And then in this bin, we have face primers, illuminizers and stuff that you can mix in with your foundation, a little Tatcha concealer, and yeah, that is this top drawer. By the way, this mirror is from IKEA. This drawer is for my lipsticks. I just got all of these acrylic sort of organizer containers from the Container Store. We organized this by shade. So we've got sort of nudes here, pinks, dark purples and blacks and funky colors, and then these are both reds. And then I have some extra sort of like lip scrubs and lip balms and stuff. Below that, we've got an eye drawer, so lots of like ColourPop single shadows. I love crazy colors, as you guys know. Some like eyebrow stuff, more single powders and shadows, more mascara, eyeliners, these fun like milk makeup stamps that you can just put on your face. The last one in here has my palettes and some of like my Halloween makeup and stuff. So this thing is filled with like face paints, cream pigments and stuff. I've got random stuff in that bin, some eyelashes, and yeah, basically just all of my different eye makeup palettes. Here's where I keep my most used makeup. So on the left side here, we've got eye products, brow gel, mascara, tweezers, blotting sheets, a bronzer, my most used palette, brow palette, beauty blenders, and then these are all of like my face powders. So the highlighters and blushes and bronzers that I usually, you know, grab towards and stuff. This is all face stuff. So we have lots of concealers, powders right here, cream products here for contouring and blush and highlights, and then foundations that I am pretty much always using. Up here we have some face brushes, Diva circle ring thing that I turn on every time I do my makeup. Lastly, we have these 2 little containers. This one has more lip stuff, lip liners, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks. Then over here we've got some setting powders, some more foundations, and yeah, just sort of random stuff. Also, this chair is from Urban Outfitters online. It's like a light blue gray and it has metal white legs. In this little corner, we've got this mirror that's been with me since like the day I moved out to LA. I love this mirror. It's just from IKEA and I think it's so pretty. I love the size of it and the frame. I feel like it's just, she's a classy gal. I love her. Right next to that, we've got this fake fiddle fig leaf tree. I just don't know if one would survive up here. Maybe. I mean, the window's right there, so I feel like I could, but it's too late now, so. And I also don't have to water it, and it looks great. It's perfect. I got it from West Elm, I believe, or CB2, but yeah. And then behind that, I just have this little, like, piggy bank thing that my mom got me that looks like a metal little perfume bottle. Now for the bed situation, the headboard and nightstands are all from my last house as well, if you guys have seen my past room tour. The bed is from West Elm. It's just like a gray suede. It's a queen size bed. The nightstands right next to it are from Mod Shop, which is just like a furniture store out here. The paintings, if you guys remember these from my old room as well, I'm obsessed with them. I think they just look so cool. They are from Z Gallery. And then also I will link this little neon sign down below in the description box. It just says ciao and it lights up white. I felt like something just needed to be there, but something that wasn't too aggressively chaotic and large because of all of like the patterned pillows and paintings and stuff like that. The newest addition to my bedroom and sort of the last thing that I was waiting for before filming this video was this rug, and it is the softest thing in the entire world. I'm so happy about it. It's from West Elm and it's sort of got like stripes, if you see that, but not really. It just has like a nice texture to it. This random tiled carpet pattern that's going on up here is just a little tragic. I don't know, I don't love it. This rug really helps to kind of distract the eye from that. This throw blanket is from Target. My duvet cover is Brooklyn Linens. These two pillows, Target. This one, I believe I got online somewhere, but if you just type in like cow printed pillows, then yeah, something will come up. This little palm leaf pillow is from Etsy, and I feel like it helps to bring some sort of color into this room because I clearly am super monochromatic. I've got a little Apple Watch charger and an iPhone charger where you just like lay your phone on it. A little sleep spray. These lamps are from Urban. I like how they kind of hang like that. Thought that was cute. And here, I didn't even bother trying to make it look clean because that's just, you know, that's what it looks like. We've got some extra wallpaper if something gets dirty, some random oils and chargers and money, and yeah, let's see what's on the other side. Here, we've got this fake plant, which I am obsessed with. It's from CB2, and then this is also CB2, the coaster. This is clearly the side that I don't use. We just have clean pillowcases rolled up. I like to switch out pillowcases as much as I can, so that's where I keep those. Let's move on to this wall, which is across from my bed. I love how open this layout is. I love that it's like a half wall, and it just kind of makes the room feel like larger and more spacious. And yeah, so this is where I keep a lot of my shoes as well as a record player. So these shelves, I got them from Craigslist. Some woman close by was selling them and I thought they were perfect. So they're just on the floor and they are a great way to store some shoes. So obviously I've got lots of my boots here that I am more frequently grabbing. This record player stand is from Urban Outfitters online. It's just black. And then I have this really fugly cord going up here, but I have to, it's not like wireless, so I have to connect it to speakers, and that's the little setup right there, which is so cute. And then here I just have sort of like my most worn sneakers on this side. I've got a fan, and this was definitely something that my mom insisted on me getting when I first moved here because she said the air circulation up in this room wasn't up to her standard, I guess. Not the prettiest thing, but you know, it does its job, so we have that there. We've got this fake little plant that I got from TJ Maxx. We've got a Polaroid camera and this fun skull neon lamp. Matches with the other neon thing, and this is from Urban Outfitters. This large dresser is from West Elm, and I mainly have like my pajamas and workout clothes in here. I will link my closet tour down below if you guys want to see me go into full depth with how I organize all my clothes. This wallpaper is from Etsy. I will link it down below, but I think it's so pretty. It adds like a really nice detailed, kind of girly touch to this wall. And I just love the sort of line drawing, the style of drawing that it is. I think it's really pretty. This mirror is from West Elm. Obviously, I mean, so many of my things are from West Elm and CB2. Clearly I have a favorite place to shop, but yeah, I love the style of this mirror on the edges. It feels very like vintage and Great Gatsby-esque. This frame is from Umbra, and then we have a little diptyque candle next to it. These little bookends are from Z Gallery. I've had them for a while, and I just love the black sparkly rocks. I think it looks super cool. Then over here, I like to keep some sort of flower or plant to bring in some life and color into the room. This, oh my gosh, you guys, this might be like the most special thing in my bedroom, and I am just gonna cherish it forever. But basically, as part of my birthday gift, Phineas got me a little music jewelry box. For starters, the little gold feet, how cute! A few months ago, he wrote a song. He sent over a music sheet of the song to this company so that they can make a music box that plays his song about me. You can only imagine how long I cried when I received that, because that is the sweetest thing in the entire world. So yeah, we leave it right there. For the last two things on this wall, we have this black poster that says Care, and I received it in a PR package rolled up, and I thought it looked cool. I felt like this wall needed something dark and black to kind of separate the crazy pattern and wallpaper. So it just says Care, which I'm cool with. And then up here we have another sort of black print, and this one is from Society 6. Continuing onward, we've got this middle sort of organizational cabinetry. I think I may have shown this in my closet tour or something, but up here we just have some perfumes, sunglasses, hats, and travel bags for toiletries and makeup. Over here we've got the majority of my jewelry. Lots of it is just sort of scattered throughout my house, but I do like to organize it a little bit. So yeah, we've just got sort of studs and necklaces and chokers and rings. Like I mentioned before, closet, if you guys want to see that full tour. And then lastly, my bathroom. And my bathroom is pretty simple and clean, and yep, that's how we like it. The towels are from Target. Palm tree leaf print from Urban Outfitters, face masks and sheet masks and stuff. I try to keep it pretty clean and cleared out, especially on the counter, just because bathroom sinks get so dirty so quick. It's such a hassle having to keep up with. Lots of skincare products in here. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that clean, but it's fine. Random like oral things, coconut oil, some hair ties, random, cotton swabs, all that stuff. I should have done a little better, but it's fine. Yeah, that's that. Some nail stuff down there. This bath mat is from Target, and this squishy Tempur-Pedic one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It has like a squishy pad, and it's really nice. Underneath here, I keep a bin of mitts for self-tanning. They all need to be washed, clearly, and then this bucket has all of my self-tanning products, which sort of is insane, but a lot of them are really close to being finished, and also a lot of different companies send me out their products to try, so I just end up accumulating so much. But yeah, this is like my little self-tanning section. Not sure where I got this hamper, but it's super convenient. It's on wheels and it has 3 different sections. I like to kind of throw my clothes or towels on here, and yeah, it's from Target. Shower organizer caddy situation from the Container Store, and yeah, not really that exciting, but just the basics: razor, shampoo, conditioner, face wash. And I believe that is all for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so happy with how it all came out. I feel like it's kind of the perfect blend of pretty minimalistic and simple, so it's definitely a place that I can just kind of wind down and relax at the end of the day, but also it's lived in, and it shows a bit of what I'm about and the things that I like to wear and listen to and be surrounded by. So I'm very happy with this bedroom. My Instagram and Twitter are linked down below, and be sure to subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and I will see you guys for a new video very soon. Bye!